Hello, my good people. How are you doing? So today I'm going to show you how to prepare peanuts. How to prepare peanuts at home. I know it's very hard for people to prepare peanuts, especially at home, because there is a way you can prepare your peanuts and they don't end up drying up very well. So kindly watch all the procedure and I hope you learn something from me. If you are a new subscriber or you are a new visitor in this small family, welcome so much. We love visitors and kindly subscribe to this channel so as we can grow as a family. And for my returning subscribers, I always, always, always appreciate your support and let's continue growing together. Okay, guys? So enjoy the video.